guidelines and policies are put in place so that everyone can find a safe space on YouTube and also have an enjoyable time here on YouTube. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. My YouTube channel is the first step for you to join that YouTube community with people from all over the world. Now, I know that you're very excited to post that video. Everyone have been saying just post that video, but YouTube also have guidelines and policies that you must follow in order for you to be able to be qualified for monetization on YouTube. In this video, I've broken down some of the guidelines that you would have to follow in order to be qualified for monetization here on YouTube. And in order for you to be safe, talk about is getting strikes. Yes, you can get strikes on YouTube, and I want to talk about what happens when you get strike 1, 2, or even 3. You're told via email what happened, why your content got a strike, and why that content was taken down. Also state whether it had violated YouTube policies or whether it was harassment. And this is what happens. This is what would happen when you get that email. Your content doesn't follow the policies on YouTube, you will get a strike. Your account would be frozen. You will not be able to post or live stream for a week. Also, that strike will remain on your channel for 90 days after you have regained access to it. If you continue to violate YouTube policies and you get a second strike within that 90 days, you will not be able to post for 2 more weeks. Also, you will get another 90-day extension on your channel and you will get a second strike. I myself had fallen in a position where one of my videos from before had a copyright issue and I had to remove the song or remove the video from my channel because I had used a background music that was copyright. So try not to make that mistake because you never know which one of your videos would go viral. 2 weeks, you will be able to regain access to your channel. You'll be able to post and live stream, but you will still be under that 90-day suspension. That strike will still be on your page for 90 days. 3, within that same 90 days will automatically get your channel permanently removed from YouTube. Still on your page within that same 90 days, YouTube will issue a deletion so that your page will be deleted from YouTube. Just to stay here on their platform for a very long time, and all we have to do is just follow some of the guidelines and policies that they have put in place. It's just to make sure that we are safe and everyone is safe and treated equally. The channel or your platform was wrongfully struck, you can reappeal their decision and submit your evidence to prove that they had wrongfully struck your platform. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to check out my other ones about how to grow right here on YouTube. Bye.